Hi everyone, I hope you are having a good day today. Welcome back to my another video. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to get action mode camera iPhone 14 on iPhone X, XS, 11, 12, and 14. What is action mode? According to Apple, action mode aims to correct significant shakes and vibration. It means your video will stabilize when you take a video without shake. So, how you get a action mode if you don't have iPhone 14? Actually, this mode not special for me because your old iPhone have this feature too. Please open your camera and enable HD 60 fps on your iPhone. If you compare 30 fps and 60 fps, your camera will reduce the shake. Here, I try to record the video with 60 fps. Then download Emulsio, or you can use other apps to get more stabilizer. Please open Emulsio, then select the video, and your video automatically stabilize like action mode camera on iPhone 14. Or you can use other apps to get more stabilizer. Then export the video to your camera roll. And see the result. Or you can edit the stabilizer manually to reduce the shake. You don't have to enable 30 fps with Emulsio, but record with 60 fps, get more stabilize your video. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more update and see you on the next tutorial. Thank you.